Good day everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. So in this tutorial video guys, I will teach you on how to write and run a C++ program using CodeBlocks as our IDE or Integrated Development Environment. In my previous video, I already teach and demonstrate on how to write and run a C++ program using Dev C++. Before we continue guys, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos, leaving a comment, suggestion, and most importantly by subscribing to my channel. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's get started. While learning how to program in C++ way back 13 years ago, when I was working as a IT instructor in one of the university here in my place, Bacolod City, Negros Occidental, Philippines. The subject that I am given to teach is introductory to C++ programming. So the only IDE that I know during the time is Turbo C++ from Borland International. It is a DOS-based compiler, but eventually DOS is no longer being used in writing programs, and the alternative that they suggest me is to use CodeBlocks. Okay, so CodeBlocks is one of the versatile IDE that can be free to download in their website, that has an integration of C++, C, or even Fortran. Now, to start writing a program in Dev C++ and in CodeBlocks, select New, Empty File. File, New, select Empty File. Okay, and then we write the code. Let's say the very basic program that we can write is a hello world. Sharp include IOStream using namespace std int main begin curly bracket, and then we can have here console out def shift operator and hello world in C++, semicolon. After we write our code, the next thing that we do is to save. There are several ways to save the file. You can go here in file, select file save as, and then we will select the directory. In this case, YouTube. I will make here a folder, right click, new folder. Let's say for example, how to write and run a C++ program in CodeBlocks. This is the name of the folder. Enter, double click. Now here in the file name we have to be specific. hello.cpp. CPP means C++, because normally in Dev C++ and in CodeBlocks rather, when we save the file without putting the extension .cpp or C++, it will save our file into C extension. Click the save button. Okay, so after we save, the next step that we'll do is to debug or test our program for syntax error. We go to the menu, build, build and run, or press F9. Let us wait for the result. Okay, so our program runs perfectly. Hello world in C++. Okay, it will give us also the execution time point 2.74 seconds. Okay, so we were able to successfully write a program in C++ and run in CodeBlocks. Now another example, we will select a new file, okay, and then we write another program. Let's say for example we will want to create a program, sum of three numbers, sharp include IOStream. Okay, so basically for beginners in C++ programming, IOStream is a library file for basic input-output in every C++ program. Let us save again. Let's say addition. Take note, without specifying the extension, what will happen, I'm just typing the word addition and then click the save button. It will save for C extension rather than C++. Observe properly, guys. Save. What we can see is instead of C++, it becomes a C program. Okay, so we can make some correction. Going to file, save as, we specify with CPP or C++, click the save button. Okay, so we have already a C++ program using namespace std int main, the function where it will starting and ending of execution of every C++ program, and then we will declare several variables, int a, b, and c, and then we have also here assignment statement, int sum 0 0. We initialize all the variables to 0, and then the data type is integer. When we say integer, it refers to a series of variables that can only accept whole number, including 0 and negative number. Now next, console out. Okay, horizontal tab, addition of three numbers in C++. This will be the title of our program. Console out, new line to new line, and then we can have here on the top also. Let us save, and then in this line of code we are asking the user to give three numbers. Enter three numbers. Cin for input A, B, and C. Okay, so using the sum a variable, it will act as an assignment statement. Sum equals A plus B plus C, semicolon. Sorry. Okay, save our work. Let's say for example this one, we will copy that. Okay, the sum of A comma, so okay, B and C is, we will calling the sum. Okay, we will save that. Okay, and then we can add another command here. Let's say for example end of program, which informs the user that the program has been ended. And then we will copy this one. The \n to \n is new line in C++. We save it. Okay, the next step that we will do is to go to build and run to check for syntax error and execute our program. Okay, wrong, there is a mistake, include not included. Okay, there is a missing. Okay, we have to be careful, no, because sometimes we forgot to put quotation marks, double quotation in our program. Definitely it will generate a syntax error. When we say syntax error, we are not following the rules of the language. That is the reason that we get some bugs or error in our program. Okay, another one. Let's say build again. Okay, our program is now running perfectly, but we don't know if the result is correct or not. So addition of three numbers in C++ in three numbers, 1, 2, and 3. The sum of 1, 2, and 3 is 6, and the program perfect. So this is the output of our program. Okay, addition of three numbers. So in this example, I demonstrate about basic input output, no, in C++, running and compiling in CodeBlocks. Okay, another example is the use of looping statement, no, in C++. Maybe we will be using 4. Okay, so sharp include again IOStream using namespace std. We will make call our file for cpp. Okay, int main begin. Now in C++, we can use a variable directly declaration within in line with our for loop statement. For example, for int a equals 1, a less than or equals to 10, a plus plus increment begin curly bracket, and then we can have here console out spacing a spacing. Okay, and then we close. Now for those viewers or subscribers that are new in C++, our for loop statement is divided into 3 parts. The first one is the initialization. Int a equals 1. We will start with number 1, and then condition a less than or equal to 10. Is this condition valid or not? Definitely yes, because the initial value of a is only 1, and then we increment a plus plus. So in mathematical equation, its equivalent is simply a equals a plus 1. We just increment by 1. So we are expecting to display 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then we display, no? Okay, begin. Okay, console out. Okay, so let us go compile, build and run. Okay, so we can see here it display a series of numbers from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 using for loop statement. Okay, so I guess I was able, no, to demonstrate on how to write and run and debug a C++ program using CodeBlocks as our IDE or integrated development environment. I hope that you have learned in this tutorial video. So I demonstrate with 3 sample programs. The first one is Hello World. The second one is addition of 3 numbers using C++. And then the third program is the use of for loop statement to display a series of numbers from 1 to 10. If you have some clarification or questions regarding this tutorial video, kindly leave it in the comment section of this tutorial video. One of the things that I have loved about CodeBlocks is that it is a very versatile and open source free IDE in writing C or C++ programs that is free. It is a good IDE for those who want to learn C++ programming. It is used by many schools, no, not only here in the Philippines but throughout around the world. Okay, so thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.